In this video, you'll learn how to add live chat to your hosting a website using the built-in WhatsApp integration. By the end, you'll have a simple chat option your visitors can use to contact you directly without needing any extra plugins or complicated setup. Let's start from inside the hosting a website builder. Make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account and that you've opened the site you want to edit in the website builder interface. Once you're there, look toward the main editing screen where you usually drag and drop elements to design your pages. To access the live chat options, you'll first need to open your website settings. In the website builder, find the website settings icon. This is represented by a small gear symbol, usually located in the top area of the builder interface. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open a panel or menu with various settings related to your site. Inside website settings, look for an option called integrations. Integrations are tools that connect your website with other services like analytics, marketing platforms, or in this case, WhatsApp. Click on integrations to open that section. Once you're in the integrations area, scroll or look through the options until you find the WhatsApp field. This is where you'll connect your WhatsApp account so visitors can start to chat with you directly from your website. When you see the WhatsApp field, click into it so you can add your details. Now, you'll be asked to enter your phone number. This part is important because the format needs to be exact for the integration to work correctly. Make sure you use the international format for your number, starting with your country code. For example, if you're in the Philippines, you would begin with 63, followed by your phone number. Do not add a plus sign in front, and do not include any spaces, dashes, or special characters. You want it to be one continuous string of digits. Taking a moment to double check this will help prevent issues where messages don't come through. After setting your phone number, you'll see a field for the default message. This is the greeting that will automatically appear in the chat when someone clicks the WhatsApp button on your site. Think of it as a friendly starting point for the conversation. For example, you might type something like, "Hi, thanks for reaching out. How can I help you today?" Or, "Hello, I'm here to assist you with any questions about our products or services." Keep it short, clear, and welcoming so visitors know they're in the right place and feel comfortable sending their first message. Once you've typed your greeting, review both the phone number and the default message to make sure everything looks correct. If your builder saves changes automatically, wait for the confirmation. If not, look for a save or apply button in the settings panel and click it to confirm your changes. To finish up, publish or update your website so the new live chat option goes live. Then open your site in a new browser tab or on your phone and click the WhatsApp icon to test it. You should see WhatsApp open with your default greeting and the correct phone number ready to receive messages. That's all you need to do. You've successfully added live chat to your hosting a site using WhatsApp, giving visitors a quick and familiar way to contact you in real time.